What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to import your Amazon reviews to your Shopify store, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell as well. So how to import Amazon reviews to your Shopify. So basically there are a couple of ways, but you can do it easily with Fera. So after installing Fera, connect Amazon and set Amazon region and connect the products. So there are a couple of third-party apps, which one currently we're doing with Fera. So this is just for tutorial purposes. You can select whichever you want. So by opening Shopify App Store and searching for Fera, click the Add App button to install it to your Shopify store. Once you have downloaded it on your Shopify store, you already start importing your Amazon reviews from Amazon to Shopify. So what you need to do is go to Configuration, find the apps and integration, scroll and find the Amazon review listings, click on the green Connect button, and basically that's the entirety of the process. Then you need to set Amazon region, select your region and click Save. Step 4 is import Amazon reviews. You need to go to the green Add button, search for the product listed on Amazon and enter your Amazon ASIN number and click Save. Once the product you finish syncing, you can go back to your Fera dashboard. So you can also customize your review display, which means that it provides various widgets and layouts to make your reviews, and you can monitor and manage reviews as well. So basically that's it for this process. Again, there are a couple of third-party apps which you can use. Currently we did Fera for the tutorial purposes. So that's it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in next videos. Goodbye.